Welcome everyone to our next SAP withholding tax configuration tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will check the with countries for the withholding tax. So go to the transaction code SIMG, then go to financial accounting here, financial accounting global settings, then go to withholding tax here, then extended withholding tax here, click on basic settings. Here click on check withholding tax countries and regions. Search for India here. So it's already there. If you want to create a new country, then you can click on new entries here and you can update the country region like that here. So India is already there, then my requirement is fulfilled. So I will not creating any new countries here. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.